Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we are making Christmas crackers. You're going to get started by adding a layer of aluminum foil to a sheet tray, and then you will add about a sleeve of saltine crackers. You will lay those on the sheet tray in a single layer. If you need more crackers, simply double the recipe. What is your favorite Christmas cookie, or what is your favorite Christmas snack that you like to serve to your loved ones and friends? After that, you will take 2 sticks of butter and melt that in a heavy bottom skillet. You're also going to be adding about 1 cup of brown sugar. Stir together until combined. It will begin to bubble, and then you're going to remove it from the heat after 2 or 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix together until combined. Go ahead and add the hot caramel or toffee to the saltine crackers and spread evenly. You're going to put this in an oven for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it should look like this. And then you will garnish with your favorite toppings. Right now I'm going in with some milk chocolate chips. Allow that to sit for a minute or 2 and spread that evenly. Then I'm going in with some saltine pecan pieces, some red and green chocolate cream candy, some butterscotch chips, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let that stay in the refrigerator for about an hour. Subscribe, thank you. After you remove it from the refrigerator, you can break it up into small pieces. And it should look like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. And until next time, bye-bye.